I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
It's not an easy skill to learn. I've been practicing it for many years.
Axe in hand, and I have to grind it with those who aren't open-minded. Look around, the media blinded us all, keeping us dumb. I find it odd. The Federal Reserve demands us to pay an illegal tax on the income of the working class. Fuck that, none of you deserve to spend a fucking cent on what we work so hard to earn. They just want to turn a profit, burn us with no concern of who they put out on the streets. Whole families dumpster diving just to eat. Some homeless just want socks on their feet. Think it's cool to throw rocks, laugh and stare, treat them with respect. Chances are they're a war vet. Use intellect, listen, interpret, set difference aside, unite this nation. It's separation that's erasing the foundation of the Constitution. Are we facing revelation? Time steadily wasting away. If doomsday was today, would your sins outweigh your right? Pray for forgiveness, or would you blame a scapegoat just to stay afloat? With God as my witness, I'ma try my best to end this modern mentality of society, cause the reality is hospitality seems to be lost. Negativity is what you see in every city. Sadly, the cost is tragedy. What has happened to humanity? Now it's okay to say bitch on TV, have morals die with chivalry. It's a pity how some men treat their women shitty. Husbands who beat their wives are the real bitches in my eyes. They deserve stitches at the least. Sometimes I'd wish your breathing ceased.